Best deals.
1. Steamer. Crafted in the traditional coconut shell shape for making authentic round puttu. Perfect for South Indian breakfast lovers. Made from premium grade stainless steel, also is rust resistant, durable, and hygienic, with any regular pressure cooker. Simply attach, fill with flour and coconut, and steam soft puttu in minutes. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Collapsible water container. Has a customized lid and faucet, which is leak-proof and easy to use. The plastic faucet fits perfectly with the sealing cover to ensure the kettle is safe and dry. Foldable, lightweight and reusable design. Our outdoor collapsible water container is light and portable, and can be put in a backpack or car, which is very convenient to use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Scratch scrub. Made of PVA and fiber cotton. Versatile and appropriate for a variety of cleaning jobs. They may be used on a variety of surfaces, including glass, stainless steel, and countertops. Each microfiber is wrapped with PVA materials with high density and precision weaving. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Canister. The manual press lock creates airtight seal without battery, charging or complicated parts. Whether you are storing masalas for tomorrow or dry fruits for next month, same simple process. Zero chemical leaching, even with hot spices or oily foods. Won't stain when you store turmeric. Won't absorb odors when you store hing. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Manual ice shaver. Make fresh gola and slush at home using your own filtered water and ice. You control every ingredient, so your children enjoy their favorite treat with zero health risks. Finally, say yes to gola without hesitation. Simply add ice cubes, turn the ergonomic handle, and watch perfectly fluffy shaved ice collect in the transparent bowl below. Manual operation means no cords, no charging, no waiting. Works anywhere in your home, kitchen counter, dining table, or even during picnics. Keep frozen ice blocks ready in your freezer and serve fresh gola instantly when guests arrive or during family parties. Sharp stainless steel blade shaves ice to a soft, snow-like texture. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Citrus peeler. Made of plastic handle with two sizes of blades designed for respectively thin-skinned and thick-skinned orange peels, durable and reusable, can be used for a long time, easy to clean, with a loop for hanging up, easy to clean, with a loop for hanging up. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Steamer. Not only prepares the healthiest food for you but also adds elegance to your kitchen shelf. Once free, the chambers nestle up to minimize storage space. Just switch on the power and set the timer, and once the cooking is done it switches off at the set time cycle. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Egg cracker. Quickly and cleanly crack eggs without the hassle of shells breaking into your dish. Simply place on the egg, crack, and open, no mess or fuss. Small and easy to store, perfect for any kitchen size. Made with quality materials, the stool is built to last and is easy to rinse after use. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Vegetable chopper. Made of food-grade PP plastic, which can safely produce a variety of food for your family. The vegetable chopper is operated manually and is very easy to use thanks to the pulling mechanism. Rotatable blades are placed at different points on the peeler, making it possible to cut fruit and vegetables more precisely. The manual food crusher can help you more quickly and no more tears when you chop onions, garlic, and chili. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Press juicer. Made of heavy-duty cast iron and stainless steel, perfect for home, restaurant, bar, and family. Juicer machine features 7 perfectly sized holes for seedless and pulp-free juice. Comfortable grip handle ensures fastest juicing and clean hands. Manual design with ergonomic rubberized handle can withstand 2300 psi. Uses leverage and gravity to extract juice with minimum effort and easy operation. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Butter dish. Designed to shield butter from moisture, dust, and external contaminants, helping maintain freshness and taste when stored in the refrigerator or on the dining table. The knob on the lid enhances the container's visual appeal and makes it practical for easy lifting and butter access, combining style and functionality. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Oven mitt. Made from premium food-grade material, mittens are rated to protect you from heat up to 446. High-quality mini mitt set helps you to grip hot items safely in your kitchen or at your outdoor barbecue. This mighty duo are the ultimate kitchen accessory. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Sandwich maker. With 3 interchangeable non-stick cooking plates for making hot, tasty sandwiches, crispy waffles, or grilled meats. We care for your health and time constraints, so we make safe products with practical, time-saving features. Non-stick electric sandwich maker is easy to clean due to its detachable plates. Its detachability prevents the accumulation of germs caused by food buildup. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Ghee pot. Made from premium quality stainless steel which gives an elegant look in your kitchen. One-piece lid with long-lasting revet knob and in compact size. Helps to heat the oils and others quickly with the help of copper bottom. Ideally used for ghee, oil, curd, milk, sugar, liquid and spices. Pot can add a unique and stylish touch to your kitchen decor while also being functional, easy to clean, and resistant to rust and corrosion. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tap cleaner. Cleans toughest hard water stains and leaves a sparkling shine, suitable for bathroom, shower, taps, fittings, tiles, faucets, sinks, mirrors and more. Spray on surface, let it rest for 60 seconds, scrub and rinse with water. Wipe water with a dry cloth. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cast iron deep fry pan. Has a naturally non-stick surface as it is pre-seasoned. This means you can cook with less oil, offering a healthier option for those looking to reduce their caloric intake. The cast iron material retains heat evenly, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes, and its natural non-stick surface allows for easy food release. Pan allows for various cooking methods, including deep frying, sautéing and simmering. This makes it a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to cook a wide range of dishes. Pan is exceptionally durable and can endure for generations with proper care. This longevity is both cost-effective and eco-friendly, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Peeler. The Sharpal features a unique protective cover with a ceramic ball sharpener that hones the blade every time you open or close it. A game changer for any vegetable peeler for kitchen use. Equipped with a razor-sharp Japanese steel blade that swivels smoothly to reduce waste while peeling everything from carrots to potatoes. Dishwasher safe and rust resistant, it's a premium peeler for vegetables and fruits that's made to last. Designed for maximum control, the ergonomic handle suits both left and right-handed users. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Glass jar. Constructed from sturdy soda glass with a temperature resistance range of -10 to 80 degrees Celsius, these containers can withstand daily use in the kitchen or pantry. Featuring an airtight pay lid, these glass containers help keep foods fresh by preventing moisture loss and blocking external odors. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Fruit juicer machine. With this manual juicer, simple manual operation with an ergonomic handle that ensures a comfortable grip and smooth squeezing action for both beginners and experienced users. The heavy-duty aluminum pomegranate juicer machine makes it easy to extract fresh juice from a variety of fruits and citrus. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Container. Features a secure, airtight steel lid that locks in freshness and prevents moisture, contaminants, and odors from affecting your stored items. The sleek and space-efficient capsule shape allows for easy stacking and organization, saving valuable kitchen space. Ideal for storing dry foods, spices, snacks, leftovers, and non-food items like kitchen tools, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Clothes drying rack. Its trifold design gives the foldable wall mount clothes drying rack a space-saving feature that swings 180 degrees from side to side. When not in use, you can swing it close to the wall to save space. It features 6 hooks on each bar, totaling 18 J-hooks, thereby increasing its storage capacity. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Coffee Frother. Features an aerodynamic design, ensuring rapid and consistent foam production. This versatile coffee frother and blender is perfect for creating luxurious froth for all your favorite beverages, from coffee to hot chocolate. Frother is your ultimate tool for crafting lattes, cappuccinos, fraps, cold coffee, matcha, and more in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Kneader. Experience effortless food prep with a high-performance 400W motor that kneads up to half a kilogram dough in 30 to 60 seconds, making chapati, paratha, puri and bread preparation faster and easier. Use it as an atta maker, vegetable chopper, blender, and citrus juicer to prepare smoothies, salads, chutney, batters and more with ease. Designed for convenience, designed for everyday Indian kitchens with removable, easy-to-wash parts, no mess, no manual effort, and easy storage after use. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Electric Kettle. Made from premium food-grade silicone that ensures your drinks are free from harmful substances. Compact and lightweight, our kettle easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for days out with the kids, work, or travel. Prepare your favorite hot beverages within 5 minutes, saving you precious time in your busy day. Just unfold, fill with water, plug into a socket, and switch it on. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. The compact design of our kettle means it takes up minimal space, leaving plenty of room for your children's essentials and your personal items. It's a must-have for all busy moms on the move. Sleek, lightweight kettle fits neatly into your bag and provides hot beverages or meals anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect ally for the super mom that you are. The food-grade silicone material makes it incredibly easy to clean after use. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Container. Are crafted from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safe and healthy food storage. The plastic is food-grade, durable, and designed to withstand everyday use. Ideal for storing a wide variety of dry food items, including flour, sugar, rice, grains, nuts, beans, pasta, coffee, and tea. They are perfect for organizing your kitchen pantry and maximizing storage space. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Sink Organizer. Designed with raised edges and a non-skid base, this kitchen sink soap holder keeps soap, sponge, or scrubber stable without slipping, making it the ideal soap stand for kitchen sink. Features a drain spout that removes excess water, keeps soap fresh. Prevents sogginess. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Makeup Box. With open space brings you the most convenient storage yet. Fit your different storage needs like cosmetic display cases, makeup organizers, vanity organizers, desk organizers. The open space can hold lotions, moisturizers, makeup brushes, lipsticks, and other small everyday collections. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Bathroom Shelf. Made up of high-grade aluminum frame. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. Make sure you are using the product on a clean and smooth surface, such as tiles, marble, granite, glass, sunmica, veneer, bakelite. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Mocha Pot. Compatible with both gas stovetops and induction heaters, offering flexibility in brewing your favorite espresso or coffee decoction regardless of your kitchen setup. This elegantly designed striking stainless steel-colored coffee maker will look great on your table and kitchen. Highly durable premium 18/8 stainless steel stovetop espresso maker and curved spout for easy and stylish pouring of coffee. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Spray Bottle. Designed for even distribution, keeping your garden hydrated. Use it as a garden water sprayer to nurture your plants, or as a water sprayer for agriculture. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Stand mixer. 1400 watts powerful motor comes with 100% copper motor providing strong planetary movement for optimal mixing results. 6 speed levels and pulse function supports dough, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 3, beater within speed of 2 to 4, whisker within speed of 5 to 6. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. 6 liters stainless steel bowl and 1.5 liters glass blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family, parties or celebrations. The product comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, dough or whisking. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety in not spilling mixture. Includes main unit, blending jar, bowl, transparent bowl cover, whisker, dough hook, beater and egg white separator. 6-speed control with pulse function, offers precise speed adjustment for all kinds of recipes, from slow kneading of dough to fast whipping of cream. Large 5.4 L stainless steel bowl, ample capacity for preparing dough, batter, and mixes for the whole family. Built with SS304 food grade material for durability and hygiene. Dust-proof splash guard, prevents spills and mess while mixing, keeping your kitchen clean. Attachments for versatility, comes with a dough hook, mixing beater, and stainless steel whisking cone, ideal for bread, cakes, cookies, creams, and more. 6 speeds for nearly any task or recipe, from mixing ingredients together on the stir speed, to whipping cream you'll get thorough ingredient incorporation every time. This stand mixer is equipped with premium quality all-metal gear planetary movement to provide optimal mixing results and longer life. This stand mixer is equipped with Hall IC controlled 6 speeds with pulse function. Hall IC helps in precision control of motor RPM, thus ensuring consistent results and longer motor life. Please refer to the below guide for speed level to be maintained for different accessories. Comes with a removable 6-liter mixing bowl which is made from imported 304 stainless steel to ensure food safety and durability. We also provide a polycarbonate splash guard laid to prevent food from splashing around while use. Built to take it all on with the durable and built to last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. The appliance works on planetary mixing motion. The moving head and the rotating bowl together create planetary motion effect, resulting in consistent dough for rotis, pizzas and breads. The appliance comes with 3 attachments: beater, dough hooks and whisker. The possibilities are endless with given attachments. Just plug in and jam out. This feature-packed stand mixer is all you need in your kitchen. It can be used as stand mixer for baking, cake mixer and flour kneading machine. Built to take it all on with the durable and built to last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. Product link is given in the 31st link.